Welcome back. So now the National Treasury has released about 16 billion shillings for the Inua Jamii program. According to Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, the funds will be disbursed to more than 1 million beneficiaries. Now, Gachagua added that the Inua Jamii kitty will be expanded in supplementary budget to about 2.5 million Kenyans over the next 2 years. The Deputy President said another 11 million shillings will be paid as a top-up for beneficiaries under the nutrition improvement and through cash and health education.
From November to date, and we are happy to say that those funds are now ready. Government has released, Treasury has been able to give us 16.7 billion.
The Kenya Kwanza administration remains committed to supporting the most vulnerable members in the society who deserve to live a dignified life. We continue to implement the cash transfer program, popularly known as Inua Jamii, which provides bi-monthly stipend to cushion beneficiaries from poverty and vulnerabilities. This is aimed at improving their livelihoods. Today, the government has released through the Ministry of Labour and Social Protection Kenya shillings 16,725,856 for payment to over 1 million beneficiaries enrolled in the Inua Jamii program. In addition, 11,185,000 will be paid as top-up for beneficiaries under the nutrition improvement through cash and health education complementary program. The total for both programs for the 4 cycles.
All right, so now renowned Kenya writer